The Hydrajaws Shear Tester Quick Setup Guide. In this video, we have already measured and set our shear tester anchors. Use the template and align it to the middle of the anchor. The template can help locate brick and avoid drilling into mortar or pointing. We recommend a starting distance from the fixing to the bottom of the template of 560mm for a M35 Plus tester and 670mm or less for a M2000 or M2050 tester. Mount the shear test reaction frame onto the wall. Place the anti-slip shear support gasket over the anchor. Then, place the shear bracket on top. Fit the collar over the anchor and slot into the shear bracket. Secure it with an appropriate size threaded button if applicable. Mounting a Hydrajaws M2000 tester onto the shear tester frame. Feed the drop rod through the shear bracket and secure with the nuts and washers supplied. Mounting a M2000 or M2050 tester. Screw the M2000 drop rod adapter onto the lower end of the drop rod. Ensure that it and the rod are flush at the bottom. Slot the drop rod adapter into the tester. Secure the tester onto the frame with the mounting screws. Now tighten the nuts at the top of the drop rod and shear bracket. The Hydrajaws shear tester is now ready to perform testing. Mounting a M35 Plus tester. Attach the M35 Plus tester using the mounting holes as indicated, and feed the drop rod through the M35 Plus tester as shown. Screw a M35 Plus thrust nut onto the drop rod.